and this is the SoWell Garage.
Hey guys, this is Cameron from the future. It has been roughly a year since the clips that you guys are going to watch for this Supercharger install. Unfortunately, after everything was said and done, we didn't get a whole lot of content and videos of the Mustang rolling around, so I do apologize about that in advance. And I do apologize for how long it has taken for literally any content. I got off active duty and things have just been crazy. We've been moving around a ton. Had a camper, had a truck, we sold both, and now we're in the process of moving to Washington. And as of right now, we have an offer in on a house, and once we get that going, the channel will be back, and it will be back with a vengeance. I promise you guys. There's so many more projects, so many more things. The Turbo Taco's coming back. Old boy Philip's gonna be back, and yeah, just please be patient with us, and thank you guys. I hope you enjoy.
So in today's episode, we are working on Champ's 2021 Ford Mustang GT California Special. Comes standard with a 5.0 liter V8, just as all GT Mustangs do. But Champ recently got, I would say, one hell of a deal on a Stage 2 Edlebrock Supercharger for this thing. Came with literally everything that's needed other than a tune, and he got it for $6,500. Brand spanking new. They're going for what, $13,000, but they're on sale right now for like $1,100 and some change.
We'll say 12 with shipping.
Right. Well, especially out here in Hawaii.
He definitely hooked me up too. He hit me up with a tuner for it, not the tune, but that's still something less I gotta pay. And the billeted oil pump gear and the sprocket, timing sprocket.
Right, so, which this platform of Mustang is known for having issues on the oil pump as well as the timing chain sprocket. So, yeah, there's a couple of goodies, and that is actually what we're getting started with. Tonight is going to be the oil pump gear and the timing chain sprocket. I have a feeling it's not going to be the funnest thing in the world to do, but it is definitely something that we should do regardless for this 5.0 Coyote.
Get ahead of the trouble curve of things breaking. Like
Absolutely.
So tonight's what? Tear down.
Tear down, yep. So we got to get first started with removing the bumper. And a couple other...
Crash bar.
Yep.
Serpentine belt. Draining it.
Yeah.
And probably a lot more along the way.
Yep. Oh, and Edlebrock has a really nice fancy binder filled with all of the step-by-step instructions for this. But let's go ahead and get started on teardown. So let's go. what engineer at Ford thought they needed exactly 64 bolts holding in this fucking front bumper, but holy shit.
Or the fact they could use as many different sizes as they want.
Yeah, right. There's what, 6s, 7s, 5.5s we used on something. It was maybe with the splitter.
It was, oh yeah, the splitter. Or no, this right here.
Yeah.
Little end corner pieces, and then also the tent for the
for the bumper brackets to go into the fender. But front bumper is off. Now we can start moving the front crash support, and draining the coolant.
The objective for tonight is to at least get to the timing cover.
Yeah.
Either do that tonight or get to the point where we just gotta remove that and start fresh tomorrow.
Yeah. This setup is so nice, man. The fact that it's an air-to-water intercooler supercharger, like built into one, is sick. All right, let's keep trucking away. That is gonna do it for tonight. We got quite a bit done. We got all the coolant drained, pretty much all the cooling system removed besides the actual radiator. The last thing that we're waiting on is to actually be able to pull the harmonic dampener so we can get to the front timing cover and then get that removed, and then we can actually get down to like installing the billet oil pump gear and the timing sprocket.
And I feel like tomorrow's we're gonna be off to a running start.
Yeah, we're also gonna get a really early start tomorrow,
Yeah.
so we'll probably be starting around like 10 in the morning.
10, yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, we'll catch you guys in the morning, and
Tonight we order the tune. We are officially at that point where the upgrades are done, and we can honestly start moving on to installing the supercharger portion of this build and this episode. So we're gonna take a quick breather, double check everything through the Edlebrock binder, and just see what all encompasses installing the supercharger, and start from there. But yeah, like the oil pump gear, the timing chain sprocket, timing set, all that stuff, timing covers back on. It was a lot. It took all day yesterday. It was more than what we thought. But yeah, let's move on to get the supercharger installed.
just started on day number 3 for the supercharger install, and we've gotten a lot done. We were up until probably 3, almost 3:30 last night.
Well, day 2.5. First day was only an hour.
Yeah, the first day was only about an hour, so technically 2 days and some change in. But yeah, we're moving right along. Literally the whole front end is, well, of the engine is all back together. Everything's put in. We do have to bolt down the supercharger. We just wanted to check the belt routing and all that stuff. But everything is done. Like pump gear, the timing chain sprocket,
Yep.
like anything that would have been an issue for you is not going to be an issue anymore.
Yep. At least I got a good foot placed.
All right, let's get this shit done. Alright guys, well, future Cameron again, or present day, however you want to view that. As you can tell from the clip, oh my goodness, that car, stupid fast, but dyno says probably mid to high 600s. So much fun, had a blast with Champ, doing the install. He's pretty much a brother to me, but yeah, we had a blast, and he's been driving it for a year now, no problems, no issues. Thing is just so much fun to drive with that 10-speed auto. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and thank you for being patient with me. I'll catch you guys in the next one.